wonderful people. I've got quite an exciting video to do for you today. I was sent a package from the Health Harbours shop on Etsy to show you an item. This item is a surprise to me. You know, it's exciting. It's like Christmas, a surprise. So yeah, I'm going to show it to you because the Health Harbours shop is a really amazing Etsy shop. They sell a lot of awareness products for POTS, polycystic ovary syndrome. I saw a migraine one as well. And they also do some neurodiversity awareness things like t-shirts. They actually do a chronic illness blanket as well, which I think is pretty cool. I saw that on their Etsy shop. So they're an amazing shop, and I'm just so grateful that they wanted to send me this because they are based in the United States of America and I live in the UK. So of course, I'm just very grateful that they went to this much effort to send me something. I'm really grateful. So let's get into the unboxing. It feels like Christmas. Yay. Obviously, I put like a sticker over my address because I don't want to be stalked. I was actually stalked online once. It was very weird, random people trying to contact family members and look through my childhood Instagram page to find stuff out about me. It was very weird. Well, I shouldn't be so judgmental, but obviously it was a bit odd. So I just cover the address because I don't want to be stalked, you know? But yes. Okay, this is very cool. So I can see a bag. Okay, this is really cute. It's a Potsy Princess bag. This is adorable. Okay, I really like this because they did say, like, is there any particular sort of product that you're looking at? And I said, well, anything to do with POTS is good because I was diagnosed with POTS formally a few months ago. I had a provisional diagnosis for a lot longer though. This is absolutely adorable. I love it. I mean, the design is just really cute. It says Potsy Princess, which is adorable. And this will be really good because I can use this when I go out and things. So that's very nice. Hello, wonderful people. I actually got another package recently and I was confused because I was like, I don't think I've ordered anything. And I'm pretty sure it's actually from the same company as the Potsy Princess bag. So I thought I would open it on camera again and show you. And of course, as always, there's stickers over my address because I don't want to be stalked. So let's unbox it. Okay. Yes. Okay, I really like this one. It is basically a bit of POTS humour because it says salt and then it has a glass of water and repeat. And this is because when you have POTS, the advice for managing it is usually eat more salt, drink more water, and then just keep doing that really. And actually that has really helped me because POTS can cause the body to have difficulty holding on to fluids. So you do need to drink more when you have POTS. And also POTS can cause low blood volume and your blood volume can be increased by drinking more water and consuming more salt. So that is really why that is advised for people with POTS. So I really like this shirt because it is a bit of POTS humour and I do like that a lot. So that is brilliant and I'm very grateful. As I said, you know, they have quite a few different POTS awareness things on their shop and I just love it so much. Also, I took the Potsy Princess bag out with me yesterday because I went shopping and it's actually very sturdy. I'll show you. So it is actually a very sturdy tote bag. It's very thick. It's not flimsy at all, like some bags I've had. This is actually very sturdy and I like it a lot. So yes, it's very good and I'm very grateful to Health Harbours for sending me this stuff. So definitely go and check out their shop because it is wonderful. And not only do they have POTS awareness stuff, as I said, they have neurodiversity stuff as well and awareness products relating to other chronic illnesses as well. So do go check that out. I'm also going to show you some other little things that they have in their shop because obviously I know that not everyone on here has POTS, but I did want to show you some of the neurodiversity stuff that they do because I think it's really good. So this is the shop I'm talking about, Health Harbours, and if we scroll down, you can see first off there is the Neurodiverse and Proud badge and also a jumper with the same design. My camera is terrible at focusing, I'm so sorry. It's probably because you're not really supposed to film like laptop screens. It does look a bit odd, doesn't it? But obviously the Neurospicy thing t-shirt as well. I think they also have mental health stuff. I think that's cute as well. Why won't this... Oh, there we go. Why won't it focus? What have I just opened? Oh, I just accidentally clicked on this one. I think it's telling me to get this one. They actually have quite a diverse range of things. So, I mean, there's a candle, which you don't see very often on shops like this, which I think is quite cool. And also, I believe this is a blanket. It is! Okay, that is cool. So, I feel like if you are looking for any chronic illness awareness stuff, or neurodivergent awareness things, then this is definitely a good place to consider. Of course, again, I'm very grateful, so thank you to the Health Harbours shop, and I will be using that bag next time I go out. But yeah, I'll definitely put the link in the description below to their shop and to the Potsy Princess bag as well, in case you are interested. Thanks for watching. Bye!